Hello and thank you for watching the video. Today I'm changing my oil and filter in my car, and I'm having to use one of these wrench end cap oil filter socket deals. Now I have two of them because every time I would go and buy a filter, I would ask for one of the sockets that would fit the filter. I learned the hard way today that these two are quite different, actually very different, and if you choose the wrong one you can end up having a difficult time, and I did choose the wrong one today. So what happened was they both fit the same oil filter, and so I just grabbed one of these today and started the job of taking it off. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so we're going to double up on this latex here. Alright, so got it loosened. So got it off, and that's what I had to do to get it off. I had to line that with two vinyl gloves, some wicks, but I want to show you what was happening to the filter. So here's what I found out. A lot of times when you buy these sockets, you're buying them because the filter is hard to get off, or it's in an awkward place to get to. You can't see, or you really can't feel, get your hand on it that easy. So that's what happened with me, and I ended up buying two different times. Now I thought they were the same. They are supposed to be the same size, but they're a little different here. This one's shorter, this one's a little bit longer. Today I used this one right here. What was happening with the wicks here, and it shouldn't be any different than the STP, or maybe not, I don't know. You can see the STP is it's almost like a right angle there where it just drops off. And the wicks is kind of curved here. But the problem I was having is, seems like it would fit pretty well. I mean, it's not exact, but you don't have to put these on that tight to begin with. And they're always harder to get off. What was happening is when I'm putting the wrench in, so I just put this up in there like that, and so I grab my wrench, put it through here. See what happened? It dropped this down, so it's not really engaged with the filter that much. It should be held up higher. That's why I was using two hands at the end there to hold it up. So let's do that again. So you just put this in place, think you're good, put your wrench in, it just drops right down. What happened? It's pushing through here. See the indentation that it made there in the filter? I've got that much more room to really grip it if I push. Look at that. That's crap. Not that the filter's bad. Wicks are supposed to be a really good filter. So the STP here, oh, let's try with this guy. This guy's a little bit longer. Maybe that's the way to go. I mean, it's not perfect, but still goes through the same. There's just more space here. This would not cause that right there. At least I'm guessing. I'm pretty sure that so that'll help a lot, getting the depth here. And anyway, I had to use a couple of gloves to fill the space. So that's my experience. It really shouldn't be this difficult to change the filters, but sometimes that's what happens. So hope something that you've seen will help. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a great day. Take care.